Nissan makes a major shift to United Kingdom. Nissan China's Envision will create EV production hub with UK with 1.4 billion investment adds electric crossover new battery plant in Sunderland. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily electric vehicle news and like this video if you find it informative and helpful, as I try to bring daily lots of electric vehicle stories to this Torque News YouTube channel. Nissan will add production of a new electric crossover and build a Gigafactory with its battery partner Envision AESC at its UK plant. The £1 billion, which is 1.38 billion US dollar investment, secures the future of Nissan's plant in Sunderland, England. Its fate had been hanging in the balance while the UK negotiated the terms of its exit from the European Union. The battery plant will initially produce 9 gigawatt hours of battery cells, rising to 25 gigawatt hour by 2030. It's not very big because Tesla at Giga Berlin is starting with 50 gigawatt hour. China's Envision AESC will invest 400 million pounds to build the plant, while the local council will spend 80 million pounds to provide green energy to power it and related companies at the site. The plant will create 750 jobs and safeguard the jobs of 300 current employees, Nissan said. No date was given for the start of battery production. Nissan, meanwhile, will invest 423 million pounds in its existing vehicle assembly plant to build a new crossover on the same Renault-Nissan Alliance CMF EV platform as the coming Nissan Ariya and Renault Megane EV crossovers. Nissan plans to install capacity to build 100,000 units a year for the vehicle, which is expected to be closer to the Juke small segment crossover in size rather than the Qashqai compact model. Both models, Nissan and Renault, are built at the Sunderland factory. The plant employs about 6,000 people and has an annual capacity of 350,000 vehicles, which is pretty sizable considering that Giga Berlin has 500,000 vehicle annual capacity. Nissan gives no more details about the EV, but it could be a replacement for the Leaf battery-powered hatchback, which is also built at the same plant. This project is the demonstration of the renaissance of the British car industry, Ashwani Gupta, Nissan's chief operating officer, told reporters on Thursday at the plant, which exports 70% of its vehicles to the European Union. The investment will greatly accelerate our efforts in Europe to achieve carbon neutrality, Nissan CEO Makoto Uchida said in a statement. The experience and know-how gained through the project announced today will be shared globally, enhancing Nissan's global competitiveness, he said. Nissan said its new crossover would be exporting to European markets. Nissan promised next generation vehicle, styling, efficiency, and battery technology for the EV without giving a date for production. The crossover production will create 909 new jobs at the plant, Nissan also said. Envision has also signed a deal with Renault to invest up to 2 billion euros, which is 2.4 billion US dollars, in a factory in Douai, France, that would create 2,500 new jobs by 2030. The Douai plant will have an initial capacity of 9 gigawatt hours in 2024, with the aim of reaching 24 gigawatt hour by 2030, similar to Sunderland plant. Envision currently runs Nissan's existing battery cell plant in Sunderland, supplying batteries to the Nissan Leaf, But at the plant at the EV200 van, Nissan is closing its factory in Barcelona, Spain, which builds the van, and production of its successor will move to Renault's plant in Mouebec, France. Nissan said the new Sunderland battery plant could be enlarged to 35 gigawatt-hour, suggesting that it could be looking for outside customers, as Renault plans to do at Douai. The plant will build what Nissan calls a Gen 5 battery cell with 30% more energy density, improving range and efficiency. Friends, Britain's automotive industry lobby group CMMT called on Tuesday for a binding target for the country to achieve 60 gigawatt hours of battery capacity by 2030 or risk losing tens of thousands of jobs in the United Kingdom. Nissan's investment also is a boon for British Prime Minister Boris Johnson's government as it seeks to support the UK's car industry following Britain's split from the European Union. In the rocky period since the referendum, investment in the nation's vehicle manufacturing plummeted. Johnson said Nissan's move was a major vote of confidence in the United Kingdom and our highly skilled workers in the Northeast. Nissan said Britain had backed the plan, but did not detail any guarantees or incentives granted. Stellantis is waiting the closure of its Ellesmere Port plant in England, while Honda will shut a factory in Sweden that employs about 3,500 workers. Automakers with United Kingdom factories face additional pressure to ensure an adequate local production network to avoid tariffs when trading with the European Union over in the continent. Envision AESC already owns and operates Europe's first battery plant in Sunderland, established in 2012 for the localization of Nissan Leaf battery production. The factory's UK team has 9 years expertise from supplying batteries to the Nissan Leaf and EV200 van, having produced enough cells, modules and packs to power over 180,000 electric vehicles in 44 countries, meeting global benchmark level of quality, performance, safety, reliability and cost. Well, let me know what your thoughts are about Nissan's major shift, building a Gigafactory in United Kingdom and making United Kingdom at its hub for electric vehicle production. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please give us thumbs up if you found this report informative and helpful. Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. And I'll see you soon in our next report. I have 2 more Tesla and Toyota reports coming today. Have a great day, friends. God bless you, and I'll see you soon.